Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the code execution cannot proceed because edgegdi.dll is not found in Windows 11 and Windows 10 computer. Let's fix it guys. For that, go right click on the start icon, select run. In here you need to type percentage WINDIR percentage again, click OK. Opens up Windows folder. In here you just need to search for SYS32 64 SYS wow 64 guys, sorry, SYS wow 64, and scroll down, copy any DLL file, copy it, and paste it in guys. Paste it in again, the same folder, same thing in the same location. We just get a copy DLL here guys. You just want to right click on it and select rename, and in here you just need to check my video description for this command guys. Rename, you just want to use this rename. You just want to paste it in, right click, paste it in, press enter, and after doing it click OK, click yes, and that will be saved over here. And after doing it, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.